Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is brought to you by Finance Foundation 101 Plus channel. To support my channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, drop comment, and hit the bell icon to receive notification on my subsequent videos. What I will be sharing with you today is in two sections titled How to Build Multiple Income Streams and Why Value and Mindset Matter More Than Income. Let's begin the class, certainly. Here's a comprehensive and educative lecture on why value and mindset are more important than income. Lecture title, Why Value and Mindset Matter More Than Income. Introduction. Good day, students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and seekers of wisdom. Today's lecture addresses one of the most misunderstood aspects of personal and professional success, the relationship between income, value, and mindset. While income is often glorified in our society as the ultimate marker of success, this view is not only superficial, it's dangerously misleading. Let us dive deep into why value creation and mindset far outweigh income in determining long-term fulfillment, purpose, influence, and even wealth itself. Part 1. Defining the core concepts. 1. What is income? Income is the money you earn through a job, business, investment, or any other means. It's measurable, transactional, and immediate. While income can provide comfort and access to resources, it is a symptom of something deeper rather than a cause. 2. What is value? Value is the contribution you make to others or to society. It's what you offer that makes life better, simpler, or more meaningful for someone else. It could be in the form of a product or service that solves a problem, an idea that changes how people think, an attitude that uplifts others, time, wisdom, or care that impacts lives. 3. What is mindset? Mindset is the set of beliefs and attitudes you hold about yourself, the world, and your potential. It shapes how you interpret challenges, how you respond to failures, and how you grow. There are two general types of mindset. Fixed mindset believes abilities are static, avoids challenges. Growth mindset believes abilities can be developed, embraces challenges. Part 2. The illusion of income as a primary goal. Let's confront the widespread illusion. More money means more success. This is flawed thinking because, 1. Income can be temporary. You can lose a job, a contract, or a market. 2. High income does not equal high fulfillment. Many high earners are miserable, stressed, or empty. 3. Income depends on external conditions. Value and mindset, on the other hand, are internal. 4. Income can be earned unethically or without purpose, but value creation is inherently constructive. Income is like a fruit. You enjoy it, but it doesn't regenerate unless you understand the roots. And those roots are value and mindset. Part 3. Value creation, the root of sustainable income. Let's explore why value is the real currency. The market pays for value. People don't pay you for how much you want to earn. They pay you for the value you bring. This is why. A plumber can earn more than a teacher in certain situations. Not because they are more important, but because the marketplace values urgency and scarcity. Entrepreneurs who solve massive problems, Elon Musk, Oprah, Jeff Bezos, generate billions. Their income reflects their value impact, not just time worked. Value is scalable. Income is not. When you focus on increasing your hourly wage, your income is capped by time, but value can be packaged, replicated, and scaled. Write a book? You help thousands. Create software? You serve millions. Teach online? You impact globally. Value is long-term. People with high income but low value are often replaced by automation or competition, but those who consistently innovate, improve, and serve remain relevant. Think about Steve Jobs, Malala Yousafzai, Nelson Mandela, or even Mr. Beast on YouTube. Their lasting influence is rooted in how much they gave, not how much they earned. While value is what you offer to the world, mindset is the engine that allows you to do so consistently, creatively, and resiliently. Mindset determines growth. A person with a fixed mindset avoids discomfort and therefore avoids growth. A person with a growth mindset learns from failure, adapts, and eventually creates more value, leading to long-term success and greater income. Mindset is the master of reactions. You can't control what happens to you, but you can control how you interpret and respond. A bad investment? Learn and reinvest smarter. Rejected job? Refocus and try again with new insight. Failed business? Pivot and come back wiser. All great success stories, from Thomas Edison to Oprah Winfrey, are ultimately stories of mindset. Mindset attracts opportunities. A positive, proactive mindset builds better relationships, increases emotional intelligence, inspires trust, leadership, and loyalty. This draws in more partners, customers, and allies, multiplying your ability to deliver value, which eventually translates to income. Real-world examples. Let's contrast a few examples. High income, low value. A person earns $300,000 a year from a comfortable corporate job. They rely heavily on one company. They don't grow, learn, or develop new skills. One economic downturn, and they're out, with no clear way to recover. Modest income, high value, and mindset. An online educator starts a YouTube channel teaching math. She earns $2,000 a month initially, but she keeps learning, serving, and innovating. Within 2 years, she builds a digital platform, writes a book, and creates a global impact. Her income grows exponentially, but more importantly, she has purpose, flexibility, and influence. Part 6. How to shift from income focus to value and mindset. Step 1. Audit your value. Ask yourself, what problems can I solve? What do people frequently ask me for help with? How can I serve 10 people, 100, 1,000? Step 2. Rewire your mindset. Read, journal, reflect. Practice resilience. Get used to failing forward. Stay curious and humble. Build habits that challenge comfort zones. Step 3. Play the long game. Invest in skills that compound over time. Writing, coding, communication, leadership. Seek feedback, not just praise. Celebrate learning milestones, not just income goals. Part 7. The paradox of wealth. Here's the paradox. When you chase income, it runs away. When you chase value with the right mindset, income chases you. True wealth isn't just financial. It's also freedom, purpose, growth, relationships, and legacy. People who prioritize income often feel trapped, always chasing more. People who prioritize value and mindset often feel empowered, regardless of their net worth. Conclusion. Let's close with a simple truth. Income is a result, not a route. Value is your gift to the world. Mindset is your compass through life. Build a strong mindset. Focus on creating meaningful value. The income will not just follow, it will compound, and so will your joy, influence, and legacy. That's the end of first section. Let's dive in to the second section. How to build multiple income streams. Introduction. Why multiple income streams? The idea of relying on one source of income, typically a 9-to-5 job, is outdated and increasingly risky. In a rapidly changing economy, marked by layoffs, inflation, automation, and shifting global trends, financial resilience has become a necessity. Enter multiple income streams. Benefits. Financial security if one income stream dries up. Wealth acceleration through compounding and reinvestment. Freedom and flexibility to design the lifestyle you want. Skill diversification and broader exposure to different industries. Section 1. Understanding the types of income. 1. Active income. You trade time for money. Examples: a salaried job, freelancing, consulting, service-based businesses. 2. Passive income. Income that continues with minimal ongoing effort. Examples: dividends, royalties, rental income, automated online businesses. 3. Portfolio income. Earnings from investments such as stocks, real estate, index funds, cryptocurrencies. 4. Business income. Profits from a business you own, which may or may not require your daily involvement. Section 2. Strategic foundation. Before diving into building income streams, establish a foundation. Step 1. Assess your current position. How much time, capital, and energy do you have? What are your skills, hobbies, and knowledge areas? What's your current financial safety net? Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Do you want $500 a month extra? Do you want financial independence in 10 years? What kind of lifestyle do you envision? Step 3. Adopt the layered mindset. Don't try to build 5 streams at once. Build one stable stream, then layer others strategically. Section 3. Building your first income stream. For most people, your job is the primary income stream. Start here. Actionable advice. Increase your income through skill upgrades, promotions, or job hopping. Ask, can you freelance your current job skills? Maximize your earnings before you diversify. Section 4. Building your second income stream. Now that you've stabilized your job or freelance income, pick a side stream that aligns with your skills or interests. Option A, freelancing or consulting. Use sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Good for writers, marketers, designers, developers, finance pros. Option B, digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, templates, or designs. Start on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, Etsy. Option C, investing. Start small with dividend-paying stocks, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, real estate investment trusts, REITs. Tip, automate your investments via robo-advisors, e.g. Wealthfront, Betterment. Section 5. Business-based income streams. These are higher risk but can be highly scalable. 1. E-commerce, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, handmade goods on Etsy. 2. Content creation monetized. Start a YouTube channel, write a monetized blog, create a newsletter, Substack, Beehive. 3. Online courses and memberships. Teach what you know. Use platforms like Kajabi, Think and Fix. Combine with a community model, Discord, Slack. 4. Mobile apps or SaaS. Develop tools or apps, subscription models, monthly recurring revenue. Section 6. Real estate as a long-term play. Types: long-term rentals, Airbnb short-term rentals, house hacking, live in one unit, rent the others. Tools: use property management to automate. Consider REITs if you don't want to manage property. Section 7. Investment-based streams. 1. Stock market. Dividend investing for regular income. Growth stocks for long-term gains. Index funds for diversification. 2. Cryptocurrency, high risk. Staking for yield. DeFi lending platforms. Long-term holding, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tips: use dollar cost averaging. Don't chase fads. Study the market. Section 8. Collaboration-based income 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, earn commissions. Use blogs, YouTube, Instagram. 2. Revenue share partnerships. Invest time or capital into someone else's business. Share profits, silent partner. 3. Licensing and royalties. License your code, music, or writing. Earn from every use. Section 9. How to manage multiple streams. Tools: use project management tools. Trello, Notion. Use bookkeeping software. QuickBooks, Wave. Habits: audit your time weekly. Automate what you can. Delegate or outsource when possible. Tracking: use spreadsheets or apps. YNAB, Mint. Track ROI per stream to know where to double down. Section 10. Mindset and personal growth. Principles: start small, scale fast. Fail forward. Treat every loss as a lesson. Compound: reinvest earnings into more assets. Diversify intelligently. Avoid spreading yourself too thin. Watch out for burnout. Focus and rest matter. Shiny object syndrome. Avoid constantly jumping between ideas. Fear of starting. Begin with imperfect action. Section 11. Case studies. Case 1. The corporate freelancer. Job, marketing manager. Side, social media freelance on weekends. Income streams, salary plus freelance plus investment returns. Case 2. The content creator. Job, English teacher. Side, YouTube channel on grammar tips. Monetized via ad revenue, course sales, and affiliate links. Case 3. The e-commerce investor. Background: no coding skills, built a Shopify dropshipping store, outsourced marketing, use profits to buy dividend stocks. Final roadmap: your first 12 months. Month 1, focus. Assess skills and financial goals. Month 2 to 3, focus. Start freelance or side hustle. Month 4 to 5, focus. Automate savings and begin investing. Month 6 to 8, focus. Build or buy a digital product. Month 9 to 10, focus. Explore content creation or affiliate marketing. Month 11 to 12, focus. Evaluate and optimize all streams. Conclusion: multiple income streams aren't about working 24/7. They're about engineering your life to have flexibility, freedom, and resilience. Whether you're creative, an employee, an entrepreneur, or investor, there's a model that can fit your lifestyle. I'm convinced you've learned so much on how to build multiple income streams and why value and mindset matter more than income. I have many topics coming up soon, which I'll be dropping once weekly in this class, so as to give enough time for you to study and assimilate. In order not to miss this, hit the bell icon below this video. This is brought to you by Finance Foundation 101 Plus channel. To support my channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, drop comment, and hit the bell icon for your notification button for my subsequent videos. See you all in my next class video. Bye for now.